How can we detect surface cracks quickly and non-destructively? Surface cracks can affect product quality, safety, and service life. Tiny surface cracks are often difficult to identify by visual inspection alone. Eddy current testing is a suitable method for surface and near-surface defect inspection on conductive materials. First, select a suitable probe according to the material and inspection requirement. Instrument power on. Set detection parameters. Move the probe smoothly across the surface of the workpiece. When the probe passes over a crack, the instrument displays a clear signal response. The operator can identify the defect location based on the signal response. This method is suitable for surface crack inspection on wires, rods, tubes, and various metal components. BRK Eddy current flaw detectors provide an efficient solution for metal surface crack detection. If you have a specific workpiece or inspection requirement, contact us for a suitable recommendation.